Hi friends, welcome back. Tip Tuesday this week is all about meal planning for busy families. I put together a 7-day gluten-free meal plan that is simple, it is kid-friendly, and it is perfect for sports nights or those evenings when everybody is eating at a different time. I want to talk for a moment about the gluten-free piece. I don't want you to overlook it and just say, oh, it's gluten-free, I don't need this. It can benefit everyone, and it's okay if you're not gluten-free. I just wanted to make it gluten-free for the families that would benefit from that as well. I'm going to give you an overview here of the recipes, and I will be putting in the comments a free printable recipe of all of the 7 recipes, plus, this is really cool, my 2-hour Sunday prep checklist in the description below. So whether it's Sunday or Saturday or whatever day you have to take a little bit of time, there are some step-by-step points on what you can do in order to prep those meals to be ready for the week ahead. All right, are you ready to hear? All right, so you don't have to do these on these specific days, but this is what I have laid out for you. All right, Monday, slow cooker barbecue chicken with sweet potatoes and broccoli. Super easy. Start the week, toss it in the crock pot, and it's ready when you are. Tuesday, turkey taco bowls. It's a family favorite, and it's easy to customize with all sorts of different toppings that are favorites of your family. Wednesday, sheet pan salmon with veggies and quinoa. Quick and nourishing. The oven does all of the work. Really quickly, I want to touch on the salmon. Be sure you are using wild caught salmon. That is a much cleaner fish. Much better for you, much better for the environment. So look for wild caught salmon. I often buy the frozen sockeye salmon, the wild caught, at Costco. So check that out. It is in like a reddish burgundy bag. All right, Thursday, gluten-free pasta bake with beef and spinach. Sort of like comfort food, but it's easy to make ahead. Just reheat it and serve. I'm not gonna lie, I did this last week for my family, and it was so easy, and I loved having things made ahead of time. So I had to do the work for you ahead, but it's worth it, and I know you'll love these recipes. Friday, chicken fried rice, gluten-free, perfect way to use up leftovers and still get in a good balanced meal. Saturday, grilled chicken, veggie kebabs with rice pilaf. I'm not gonna lie, we didn't have kebabs, and I just grilled the veggies and the chicken, and it was so delicious, summery, fun, and it was great for a busy weekend. And lastly, Greek chicken bowls, fresh, build your own kind of style dinner, and everyone gets to make their own bowl the way they like it. So that is your family's 7-day gluten-free meal plan for the week. So if you want the full recipes, I have a PDF ready for you to download, plus the 2-hour Sunday prep checklist. So you're going to want to check those links out below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with friends who need easy gluten-free dinner ideas. And until next time, to you and your family's health, take care.